My name is Jeremy Freeberg, and I'm the IT manager for Busey Bank. We're headquartered in Champaign, Illinois, and we've got over 40 locations in central Illinois. We have an office in Indiana and 8 offices down in southwest Florida. Overall, the organization has about 900 employees with around 1,100 workstations, and those 1,100 workstations are managed by my department, which is a group of 10 folks, including me. So needless to say, we are pretty busy most of the time. To manage these 1,100 workstations, we really needed an automated solution to take care of all of our routines, such as patch management, security updates, software updates, antivirus definitions, etc. These are routines that we want to run on a daily basis, and we found that we needed to run these at a time where it didn't interfere with the users or required us to stay after hours. So we determined that the best time to do this would be from probably about 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. And in order to accomplish this, we found that we needed to have the workstations turned on so that all these scans could run properly, which was a difficult task, I guess we could say, with everybody, or all the employees that were in their old habits of turning the machines off when they leave at 5. We found that, obviously the machines weren't turned on, so the scans wouldn't run, or, if we instructed them to leave the workstations on, some of them didn't follow those instructions properly. So we needed an automated way basically to turn those workstations on, and what we came up with was a solution that's it's pretty low level and something that pretty much anybody can implement. There's a setting in what's called the BIOS, which is it stands for Basic Input Output System, and it's basically the part that takes over as soon as you press the power button on the computer. And there's a setting in there to automatically turn on the machines, and you can set it for a specific time for certain days of the week. So we determined that Monday through Friday we'd have it turn on from 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. and that way the workstation would automatically power up. All of our scans were scheduled at night, and they would run properly. So a couple benefits of this were mainly that the users could turn off their workstations at 5 when they left for the day. So between 5 p.m. and 12 a.m., the workstations were powered down, and we saved on that energy consumption there. Plus, on the weekends, they were powered down for the entire weekend, unless somebody obviously came in to work over the weekend. But so that's 48 hours potential of cost savings there for our energy consumption. So we found that we've saved a significant portion of energy consumption from those 7 hours a day, 5 days a week, plus the 48 hours on the weekend. So that adds up fairly quickly in terms of cost savings. And plus, we also gain from operational efficiencies. It allows my staff to work a normal 8 to 5 shift. It allows the employees to work an uninterrupted day, so we don't have to run these scans or patch applications while they're here. So, automating the process and having that done overnight saves, from IT staff perspective, saves our time as well as the time of the employees. So, it's something that's allowed everybody to be more productive all around. The company wanted to implement this. It's a very basic solution. Anybody can do it. It doesn't have to be somebody with a technical background. As I mentioned, it's a function of the BIOS. So as soon as you press the power button on the machine, you see the splash screen for the computer. If it's a Dell or HP, you'll see that. And typically they'll hit the F2 button to enter the BIOS and follow the on-screen instructions from there. It's very straightforward. In addition to what we've implemented here, we've also been looking at other technologies for cost savings on energy consumption. One of the things that we're leveraging right now is virtualization for our servers, which essentially takes all of our servers and makes them run on a couple machines. We've been able to reduce our physical server footprint from, I think, 40 to 50 PCs or servers in our data center down to 5. So that has significantly saved on energy consumption there as well.